Monies cannot buy happiness, but you can buy a dirt bike, which is pretty close. You call it crash, we call it suspension testing.
Homicide, genocide, televised, emphasize, perpetuating war to that nigga, he gon' pick a side. Hood ties from hood lines, now niggas doing dope lines, I'm running to the...
We are back in the bush for redemption, riding along with friends, sharing our biggest passion.
Niggas get chipped like cicados in a wave through the hood, now it sounding like vibrato. Why you eat bread with avocado? We be trying to dodge shells before it landing our tomato.
Good day everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going bike riding again. As you can see, this is my new ride. I bought a brand new 2024 KTM exc-f 350, 4 strokes of course. And today we went to Tolangi to test the bike. Few of us today, me on the KTM 350, Jake on his KTM 500. He's got a few upgrades, bigger brakes, custom exhaust, upgraded suspensions. Then we had Thomas on his GasGas 200 and Shannon as usual on his Beta 350. The first track that we did today was actually the one that we got stuck with the cars. I'll leave the link in the description. We drove 2K in 7 hours. Stay tuned for some good footage, some good videos, and enjoy. This is the first track of the day, straight into the bog holes and the mud. It's always a little bit heartbreaking when you take a brand new bike from the dealership straight into the mud, especially when 2 days earlier the bike used to look like that. But hey, this is what I bought it for, right? Jake was the only one who took only a couple of attempts to get over this section. The rest of us all struggle.
He's got this, he's confident. Oh, look at him! What a champ! Oh, look at him!
Ah! We stopped for lunch and we looked on the map for something a little bit more challenging, so we picked a track with a steep hill climb.
Now.
Beside Jake, we all came off the bike a few times. I found it harder to control the bike uphill. It's all a matter of gaining experience and practicing a lot.
Hurt my shoulder a little bit.
You need to be in this lane. Go back.
I'd say.
Stuck my head, beauty.
You smacked your head.
The rock.
Well, that's what the helmet is for.
Yeah, but I fucking left a bit of a ring. Go, mate. Keep going, mate.
I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be a sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. Oh shit, it feel like I'm floating, but I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My niggas making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scrolling, might been thinking damn. So mama found shit of them legs. She told me that's not who I am. But nowadays I put on for the fam, see you when I can. I'm surrounded by my feelings, I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish with 140 acres. She want the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion of garbage. I talk to the mirror, I know that life's not the fairest. I lost my can, I can't pay off the bills with the blessing. I'm sure I relate to the Reddit page. It's feeling like money is everything. Money is everything. It's everything I need. Till I lay my eyes on you. Know what this is, yeah, but it feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. Young nigga used to think this was everything I need, right? Not so fond of change, I'm too caught up in my way of thinking. I get by on me, no, I don't need nobody, yes, I was.
Here we found a little friend. We're not sure if he's a tiger snake or a brown snake. Either way, both highly venomous. Anyway, better stay away from it. We stopped again to regroup and had a look at the maps, so we start heading back to the starting point.
See the snake? See the snake? Yeah, the snake. A snake? Yeah, just keep pushing in the bush.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drip on one. 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 Wanna move my feet, wanna drip on one.
If you're enjoying the video and you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. In this section, Sharon couldn't stop in his bike because the clutch stopped working.
In how many ways can I tell you how much I want you? In how many ways can I show you how much I love you? I try and I try and I try, but you just walk on by. How many times must I try? You see, I'm all about you.
Jake's final wheelie. We finished the day with another drone crash. Second drone in less than 2 months. How was today, Shannon?
Very good, mate.
Oh, not very good, is it?
Why is that, mate? No clutch.
Gone.
It's actually come back a little bit. Some new tyres, service.
In tires, what's the list? Tires,
Tyres.
service, clutch.
What else you want to do, mate?
What else you want to do? New quad lock, mount, yeah. Mirrors, maybe.
Some mirrors.
What about you, Thomas? What are you doing next? A lot of things. Fuel leak?
No, I don't think it's
No. The brake fluid?
brake fluid. Rear plastic. Rear plastic. Oh, fuck it. I hit him. Booted it, mate. You missed it. You missed the
He kicked his own bike.
That's a fucking bag.
What about you, Jake? How the bike went today?
Oh, no dramas, mate.
No dramas?
No, all good.
Yeah. Bit of a warm up for you with us.
All good fun.
Good fun. Keen for a ride again?
Yeah, absolutely. It's always good fun out in the bush.
That's it.
You gonna have me back? Yeah. No, I'll be there.
I'll make sure you get slower when I come with you.
No worries. Guys, tell him, check.
Not a brand new bike anymore.
I fucking sanded. Oh, you just go easy through the bush. You never know what's in a fucking river.
Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.